3rd Standard EVS Video 9. Welcome to our EVS class. Hope all of you did the work that I had given you. I asked you to prepare an album of pictures of plants that we use for food. I think all of you did that. Now listen here, another work. We use the leaf, flower and fruit of oregano for food. Like we use, look at banana plant. We can use its leaf for eating food and its fruit for eating or fruit or kacha one we can use for cooking also, isn't it? Like that, many plants are there. We can use its leaf, flower, fruit, everything. See, drumstick, its fruit, drumstick we are using for making curry. Its leaf also we are using for cooking, and its flower also we are using as food. Many plants are like this. So, do we use all parts of a plant for food? Complete the table. They are asking to complete the table. Look at drumstick. It's all parts we are using. But we are not using its stem. We can use its leaf, its flower, its fruit, means its drumstick. Like that, many plants are there around us. So, my dears, you do one thing, find out that plants and fill in the blanks. So, flower, onion, we can use its flower also. Onion, oregano, and you can add one more here. Fruit, papaya, pumpkin, you can use one more. Leaf, amaranthus, cassia tora. Find out its meaning. Easy one. Look at, that's the same thing we are every day we are using in our daily life. So just look at the dictionary. You can get the meaning in Malayalam. Then coriander leaf, curry leaves, etc. Stem, amaranthus, taro, and stem one means many. This one stem we are using. Carrot, actually it's stem we are using. So many food item plants are there. We can use its leaf, flower, plant, fruit, stem, tuber. Tapioca, sweet potato. Tapioca, sweet potato, we can use its tuber. So all of you do one thing. Complete this table. If you don't know the meaning of these words, look at the dictionary and find out its meaning. Why I am asking you to look at the dictionary? If you look at the dictionary and you only find out the meaning in Malayalam, that will always in your memory. That's why I am asking you to find out. And if you are not getting, ask me, I will give the Malayalam meaning. Okay, so it's easy one. Different types of plants are there. We can use its flower, leaf, stem, fruit and tuber. For each one, 2 examples they have already given us. You complete the table. And if you have any doubts, you can call me. And you are not getting the meaning of these words, you can call me. But first you try. Look at the dictionary and find out the meaning. If you do like this, the word will always be there in your memory. That's why I am asking you to do like that. Okay. If you are trying, okay, still you are not getting, no problem. But you must try. If you are not, after that you are not getting, no problem, I will give you the answer. Okay. And second activity, I am giving you this one. Germinates when sown. Germinates, find out its meaning also. Sown. Germinates when sown. Haven't you seen plants sprouting out? Haven't you seen the mango seed, coconut seed and others sprouting out? Yes, of course you had seen it in front of you always. Now it's a rainy season, all the seeds are sprouting. After eating mango, its seed you are throwing out, and after getting rain, they will sprout. Seeds germinate to form new plants. Let us also try germinating seeds. So, this activity you do. What you want to do? Listen carefully. We are going to germinate a seed. I will explain how we will do this. So, please listen to me. I will explain. Fill a flower pot with soil. First, you took a flower pot or paper glass, no problem, and fill that with soil. Wet the soil, then pour little water into that soil. Bury a few pea seeds a little low in the soil. Then you bury pea seeds or moong dal, anything like that seed you sow it. Bury in it. First, what do you want to do? Take a pot, put some soil in it, then pour little water. After that, you bury some seeds into it. Observe, but be careful while you are burying the seed, don't go deep. Okay. Little low. Then observe the seedling sprouting out. Then you wait. After 2-3, maybe within 1 week, the seed will start sprouting. Then you observe the changes. What are the changes seen? Examine the various stages of germination of the seed, of the pea seed. Any seed you can use. Better you can use like pulses. Moong dal. Moong means green peas. You can use a pea seed like that. Okay. So my dears, that's easy one. Everyone are doing this. Once again, I'll explain what you want to do. Take a pot and in that pot put some soil, then pour some water on it. Then you take a pea seed or ladyfingers seed or bitter gourd seed or pumpkin seed, anything, any type of seed you collect and bury that in this pot. Don't go so deep. And you watch every day, you pour water into that pot and watch its the seedling sprouting out and watch its changes also. Okay, understood what I said? After 1 week, you show me. When I am taking the Google Meet, I will ask you to bring that seed, that plant. Okay, so all of you did it. After watching this video, all of you do this activity and every day you pour water into it and watch the changes happening that seed. And next week's Google Meet time, while attending the meet, you bring that sapling. Okay. That is the work, today's work. All of you do these two works. First one, complete the table. Okay. And the second one, germination of a seed. Do this. Okay. And if you have any doubts, my dears, you can call me at any time. Okay. See you. Bye-bye.